Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are in Arizona, Maricopa, Arizona at Harrah's Auction Hotel and Casino. I'm excited to give you a peek at this room. This is a huge property, and this is our first time visiting. This is also a Caesars Reward property, so if you're a frequent Vegas Caesars Reward player or anywhere else really, check to see if you have nights here. We did, and that made it kind of exciting. So here's a peek at this 2-queen room, really spacious, you guys. Again, this is a really big property. This room is on the first floor. Got the refrigerator, lots of storage space in these rooms, a safe, huge big screen TV, sitting area, the really spacious room. Everything that you'd need here. Very clean, really impressed. This property itself is larger than I had expected. There's really great dining options. There's a Dunkin' Donuts, and there's a lot of things nearby in Maricopa, eateries, shopping, things like that. So let's take a look at the bathroom. When you first walk into the bathroom area, you've got your coffee and beverage setup area kind of right here. There's a nice bathtub, nice sink area. Again, really, really spacious. Got the makeup mirror, which I love. Toilet area, and then a shower as well. So that's kind of nice to have both the shower and bathtub options. Again, just really spacious. This property and the room area is so big. Lots of storage space. You got your little bench right here, and then a closet where you can hang things, and it has an iron and ironing board and whatnot. So there's a peek at the room. Our room is on the parking lot side. I will show you in a minute what the pool side looks like, and I think if I were to come back, I would try to request that side because it's pretty cool, but I'll give you a peek. Here the next morning, we are looking out onto our patio area so you can see what this is like. They have a little table and chairs set up out there, and it's beautiful in the morning and the evening, obviously in this area. Get some nice sunshine out here, lots of birds and whatnot. But again, this is on the parking lot side, which is kind of nice for parking because you could actually come over and park close to your room. But I'll take you over to see the pool area because that's really cool as well. So here we are entering the pool area. They do require wristbands for entry. Massive pool area, pool bar, and hot tubs. So that's really nice. Little cabanas. This area is really beautiful. And I'll kind of walk you around here and just let you take it all in. This is early in the morning. I think we're about 8, maybe 8:30 right now. But you can see just how nice this is and the way the sun comes in. Wonderful all day. This gets kind of busy. It was never too crazy when we were here, but there is a bar area in the pool and just so many options for seating. Really, really cool part of this hotel property. You can hear the birds, and that sunshine is just great. It's a great way to take in that Arizona sunshine. So this is a nice perk to this property as well. I was just overall really impressed with everything that's here. It is not just a casino, not just a hotel. It is kind of feels a little bit like a resort. So let me know if you have questions, details below. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.